Good morning to all. In previous lecture, we learned about the beta and gamma index. Now, in today's lecture, we learn about the associate number and cyclomatic number. Associate number. Topologically, accessibility can be measured in three ways. That is, by shortest path matrix, by the associate number, and by the symbol index. By shortest path matrix, the number of arcs used in the shortest path between all possible pairs. By the associate number, the number of arcs needed to connect a node to more or most distance node from it. And by the symbol index, it is derived from the shortest of arcs or edges path matrix, which indicate the number of arc needed to connect any node with other node in the network by the shortest path. Now we will calculate the distance of shortest path from the diagram. First, make a matrix from a given diagram. See all the points or vertices in the given diagram. Vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Write it on the matrix. Now we calculate the distance from the given diagram or to know about the connectivity. Vertex A to A vertex, vertex A to vertex A, connectivity or distance is 0 because there is no any path. See the matrix. Vertex A to vertex A, connectivity or distance is 0 because there is no any path. Now we want to go from vertex A to vertex B. How many paths we have to go? That is 2 paths. So we write 2 in the matrix. Now we want to go from vertex A to vertex C. Right? So we want to move or to go, that is 1 path. So we write 1 in the matrix. In the same way, if we want to go from vertex A to D, we have to cross or move 2 paths. And from A to E, 3 paths. From A to F, 3 paths. From A to G, 4 paths. And from A to H, also 4 paths. Remember, we have to choose shortest path or minimum distance. In this way, we can create the matrix value. Now, see the matrix value and find out the associate number. The largest value of first row is 4. So, the associate number is 4. The largest value of B is 4. Then the associate number is 4. The largest value of C is 3 and therefore the associate number is 3. The largest number of D is 2. So the associate number is 2. The largest number of E is 3 and therefore the associate number is also 3. The largest number of F is 3, so the associate number is 3. In this way, we choose the largest values of all rows. The smallest value of associate number or associate number column is 2. This is the nearest path. In this way, associate number is calculated and we choose the nearest path. Vertex D means 2 is the nearest path. It is most accessible for all nodes. Vertex D require very less edges than other places. It means that it have to the high centrality which connected to other places. Or in other words, total or symbol index indicates nodal position of D is most accessible of all nodes. Node D require very less edges than other places or nodes. It means that it have a high centrality which connected to other places. This is the example for practice. Now we will discuss about the cyclomatic number. It is different type of measuring connectivity. The cyclomatic number is an arithmetic comparison between individual elements of network system. It refers to the number of circuits in a given network. More the edges in the network, greater is the number of circuits. In order to find out the cyclomatic number, it is necessary to count the number of edges and subtract number of nodes and adding 1 to it. See the formula of cyclomatic number. Cyclomatic number is equal to E minus V plus P or E minus V plus 1, where, as you know, E indicates number of edges or arcs or links or lines, and V indicates number of vertices or nodes or points, and P indicates number of graphs or disconnected subgraph. In a disconnected position for a 3 types graph, it has a cyclomatic number of 0, whereas the graph move closer and closer to completely connected state, so the cyclomatic number increases. The cyclomatic number increases since it depends upon the number of vertices and edges only. The limitation of the cyclomatic number arises since it depends upon the number of vertices and edges only. Now we solve the example of cyclomatic number. See the diagram. The diagram shows, as we know that E shows the edges or links and V shows the vertices or points or nodes. In the diagram, there are 6 edges and 6 vertices and number of graphs are 2. Therefore, 6 minus 6 plus 2 and the answer is 2. This is the example of cyclomatic number for practice. Thank you.